Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is AZREEN binti Kamis.
And my name is NURFATHISYA binti RASID. Me and AZREEN will show the calculation in Excel for Chapter 7 and Chapter 8. Based on the data given, we are required to prepare a common size statement, year-to-year change statement, and index number trend statement for the company. First, the common size statement for asset and liabilities. Asset for 2017, the formula is equal to amount of cash and cash equivalents divided by the total asset. Here, we need to log the total asset, then multiply by 100. Just write down the table for other items because we are using the same formula. Apply the same formula for both year 2018 and 2019. Liabilities and equity. For 2017, the formula is equal to account payable divided by total liabilities and equity. Log the total liabilities and equity, then multiply by 100. Drag the table down for the rest of the items. Apply the same formula for year 2018 and 2019. Here you can see how the amount of asset and liabilities items hold different weightage in percentage for 3 different years.
Year-to-year change analysis is useful when comparing time series data. For 2019 and 2018, we use the 2018 as a base year. The formula for amount equal to value of item in 2019 minus by item in 2018 and enter. Double-click to see the following result. For percentage equal to amount divided by value in 2018 and enter. Double-click to see the following result. For liabilities and equities, just use the same formula as above. Secondly, for 2018 and 2017 comparison, we use 2017 as the base year. The formula for amount equal to value item in 2018 minus by item in 2017 and enter. Double-click to see the following figures. For percentage analysis, just divide the amount with the value of item in the base year, which is 2017. Double-click to see the following figures. For liabilities and equities, just follow the same formula as above. We can read the negative sign represent there are decreased value for item from year to year, while the 0% indicates that there are no decrease or increase of the value of items from year to year. Index number trend statement show how financial statement change from year to year. For this statement, 2017 was selected as a base year. Just equal to 100 and double-click for the same amount of base year. Now let's calculate index number for 2019. Equal, open the bracket, select value in 2019, divide by value in 2017, close the bracket and multiply with the index number in 2017 that we made before. Double-click to see the following result. For index number in 2018, also must divide it with the amount in base year. Equal, open the bracket, select value 2018, divide by value in 2017, close the bracket and multiply with index number in 2017. Double-click to see the following result. For the liabilities and equities items, we just use the same formula as in assets. So how can we interpret this result? For example, for cash and cash equivalent, there are 49.86% increase from 2017 to 2019. From 2017 to 2018, there are only increased 19.89%. So I will start with one with data table, one output. Let's see situation 1. For summary, I plan to have saving 500,000 ringgit in 10-year time and the rate of return given is 3.5%. So let's see the amount of monthly savings if the total savings change. Firstly, just extract the information from the question in the data table. Convert 10-year time to months because we want to calculate monthly savings. Let's start the total saving with 100,000 ringgit. For the next cell, equal to above cell and plus with 50,000 for the interval. Drag downward to update the figures. To calculate the monthly savings, equal to PMT, select rate divide by 12, select months, select total saving, close the bracket and enter. Next, let's see the impact of monthly savings. First, select this cell, go to data, click what if analysis, click data table. In the column input cell, select the total saving amount because total saving was in a column position. Now you can see the different amount of monthly saving using different total savings.
Next, situation 2, one-way data table, multiple output. I need to determine the number of units sold and profit earned by the company. First, extract the data from the equation. Assume that the amount of quantity is 22,500 units by dividing 900,000 of target sales with unit price of 40 ringgit. Also assume that the demand is 10,000 units. Unit price equal to this cell, unit cost equal to this cell, quantity produced is 22,500, quantity sold equal to min, open bracket, select demand and quantity produced, and enter. Then calculate the sales and total cost. To get the profit, the formula is equal to sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. Insert the figure for number of units sold and profit. Well, demand begins at 10,000 units with the interval of 5,000 units. Select data and open data table. In the column input sales, insert the demand of 10,000 units. As you can see, the higher the number of units sold, the higher the profit earned by the company. At some point, despite the increasing demand, the number of units sold remained constant at 22,500 units because the company is only producing 22,500 units of product. Lastly, situation 3. To weigh data table to output. Referring to the same question as situation 2, I need to find the profit if unit price and unit cost change. Insert the figure for profit, unit cost, and unit price. Select data and open data table. For row input sales, select variable cost, and for column input sales, select unit price. The result shows that the company earns lower profit when the unit cost is high. However, as the unit price increases, the company earns higher profit.